Today is going to savage me in other languages. So let's get right to this. Let's get right to this. Oh. I'm not open.
More of the lawn, I don't wanna touch the grass. Every time I down, make you get here. Been spending most my life living off my mama's beans and rice. Moving down the street at my lawnmower. Baby, mom with me. Do you want to some more Chinese food? When I got that what?
Hi Victor, what are you doing?
Let me see your mom. Mom. Let me see your mom. This Mr. Stereo Grill. This grill is on fire. You know I'm not illegal. Immigration after me. Don't drop that bomb soon. Don't drop that bomb soon. It'd be like one. Can you teach me how to got in? You know that all the neighbors love me. Why not?
I don't know who you are.
It's Juan.
I will find you.
It's not Juan. Do you know that Jesus loves you? Jesus! What? Did you love me, cousin? No, I hate you.
Anita, I go to church now and I'm in love with Jesus.
If you just trying to see it, that knows. Be like Juan. Can you teach me how to got in? You know that all the neighbors love me. Hello?
I can't get out.
Dang it, Grandpa!
That's with you.
I would better run.
Are you sure? I'm good.
Stop it! Ah, you ruined my stupid! You stupid! Ah! Are you kidding me? Where's my truck? You cut me off! You're crazy man! You know what you're talking about! All I want is so my boyfriend to stop me. Oh, sorry. Why don't you care? But...
Talk.
Air runs can make you jump higher, run faster, but you're still no good at basketball. No much. You know why fools go? Because we're black. Well, I haven't played it with that name on it. Jimmy? Did it? Oh my gosh! He's teaching me how to read.
So sweet.
What?
Water.
That's a fun one.
You're doing great.
He's teaching me how to read.
So sweet.
What?
Water.
That's a